Hello, and welcome to a new episode of This Week on Campus, a weekly rundown of upcoming events for students, staff, and the community. My name is Jordan Smith.
And I'm Gage Tunison. Today we'll be talking about our live stream event you won't want to miss out on. But first,
come and get a tour of Western Iowa Tech campus and get to meet the professionals for your program of choice. All program visits today is October 31st from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Lunch will be provided at the Overlook Cafe. Come and see how we can help achieve your goals.
Would you like to get formal clothes for an interview or job without spending money? If so, come to Dress for Success in the Rockland Conference Center October 28th through the 30th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This event is a collaboration of the WIT United Way Committee and Tyson Foods. Dress for Success provides students with donated clothing from faculty and staff, as well as Tyson corporate employees at no cost. After the event, all leftover clothes will be given to shelters and charities.
Do you have anxiety about job interviews? Is that anxiety stopping you from getting a job? Western Iowa Tech will be offering interview tip workshops. Here, you can learn how to dress, act, what questions to expect, and what to ask. These workshops will take place in the Administration Room A324 on October 30th to the 31st, as well as November 1st and 2nd. Reference your MyWit calendar for available time slots, and be sure to contact Carol Muhs with the email given in the description below.
After having taken advantage of those career-based events, feel free to attend our career fair on November 15th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Check the WIT Facebook page for further information.
Later, we'll be having your upcoming forecast for this week. But next, information about the live stream you won't want to miss out on.
Every day across the country, hundreds of college radio stations take to the air,
broadcasting music and programming that you won't hear anywhere else.
College radio changes the lives of those who are involved with it.
And can change those who listen to it too.
You can support college radio by donating to the College Radio Fund.
This fund gives financial grants to college stations that need it the most.
And is run by a nonprofit charity called the College Radio Foundation.
For more information, please visit collegeradio.org.
For a degree in audio engineering, Western Iowa Tech Community College is the place to go. Through the audio program, you'll get to learn from instructors with real-world experience through a combination of hands-on exercises, lecture, and real-world applications. You'll learn how to operate sound equipment for live events and sound design, such as mixing and editing for media. Upon graduation, you'll be ready for the world of audio mixing and production. Get going and visit witcc.edu to find out more information.
The annual Bookstore Sidewalk event is finally here.
The sidewalk sales happen right outside the bookstore on October 31st. Come and get whatever you need, whether it be clothes, supplies, or even decorations. All items will be having a marked down price. Sales starts at 8:30 a.m. Wednesday on October 31st.
Are you registered to vote? If you aren't registered yet, there is still some time to get registered. The Iowa registration deadline is October 27. You can't register by the deadline. You can register and vote the same day, but be warned, it will take more time to do so. Tune in on November 6th at youtube.com/WITTV, where Western Iowa Tech's very own video and media production program will be live streaming with the fullest election coverage.
Need a break from studying? Come on over to Burr Oak Suites right here on campus and enjoy a night of laughter and entertainment. Comedian Steve Stones will be performing on October 29th at 7 p.m.
The Season Center for Behavioral Health will be offering a free parenting series for employees and students on Wednesday, October 24th through December 5th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. in the Wells Fargo room. L110, these classes are geared towards children 3 to 11 years old. Goals of the program include reducing aggressive behavior and disruptive behavior, developing mutual support, enhancing family communications, and improving discipline methods used.
On Friday, November 2nd, come and celebrate 50 years of dental assisting program here at Western Iowa Tech Community College. The event will be from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. in room W108 on campus. Lunch will be served and information will be shared so you can learn about the program. If you have any questions about the 50 years of dental assisting celebration, contact Joni Miller at joni.miller@witcc.edu.
Later, we will have some information about some free events to look forward to, but next, a check of your forecast.
Welcome back. Luke joins us on the weather monitor to bring us this upcoming week's forecast. Luke?
Thanks, guys. Looking like this may be the last weekend we will have temperatures above 60 degrees. The lows this weekend look to be in the mid-30s, and we will have a 40% chance of rain on Saturday, so you may want an umbrella if you have plans outside. This week looks like to be slightly cooler than this weekend, with highs in the low 50s and lows reaching 33 degrees, but not quite going below freezing. We will have a 40% chance of rain on Tuesday and a 30% chance on Wednesday. And as I said, we won't be below freezing, so don't expect any snow.
Thanks, Luke. Next, we have some messages about some free events you won't want to miss out on before we finish for the week.
Every day, hundreds of college radio stations take to the air. Students are building skills they can use in the industry. They gain experience on the air and organizational talents that can be put to use in a workplace. Supporting college radio and donating to the College Radio Fund gives the colleges money to work with and opens the doors of limitless possibilities to students. The grants are given out by a nonprofit charity, the College Radio Foundation. Help prospective hires earn the experience they need. For more information, please visit collegeradio.org.
For a degree in video and media production, Western Iowa Tech is the place to go.
Through the video program, you'll gain knowledge from instructors with real-world experience through a combination of hands-on exercises, lecture, and real-world applications. You'll learn how to shoot and edit video, the basics of lighting and sound, and scripting for TV and film. Upon graduation, you'll be ready to enter the world of live television and video production. Get going and visit witcc.edu for more information.
Welcome back. Wednesday, November 7th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Robert E. Dunker Student Center, Western Iowa Tech will be hosting arts and crafts presentation presented by Pickle Palette for students and their families. Join us for a night of creativity and fun.
Do you like movies? Do you like free stuff? How about a free movie? One Tuesday per month, you have an opportunity to get just that. Through a program offered by the Student Activities Director, Mike Brown, you can get a voucher to see any movie you would like at the Promenade, located on 4th Street. Go to Mike Brown's office, located near the gym, to get your pass today.
Join us on every second Monday of the month at Drop Zone Family Fun Center. From 6 to 8 p.m., must show a wet ID. Families are welcome to come along.
If you have something you would like publicized on This Week on Campus, send it to thisweek@witcc.edu. This Week on Campus is a webcast from the Broadcasting and Multimedia Journalism and Video and Media Production programs in association with the Audio Engineering program at Western Iowa Tech Community College in Sioux City, Iowa.
New episodes of This Week on Campus are posted every Friday afternoon. For the latest content from our programs, please visit our website, witcc.tv, where you can find a direct link to our YouTube page, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for joining us, and see you guys next week.